Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss the connections of three-phase transformer. There are mainly four types of connections. What are they means? First one, star to star connection, star to delta connection, delta to star connection and delta to delta connection. I will discuss in this video. So let's get to the topic. Yes, this is our topic, three-phase transformer connections. Before going to this, I will discuss what is the three-phase transformer. Actually, three-phase system is used to generate and transmit electric power because three-phase system is economical than single-phase system. Three-phase system is economical. Three-phase system is economical than single-phase system. Actually, a three-phase system is that which operates on three-phase supply. When we compare for single-phase transformer system, the single-phase system is operated by single-phase supply, whereas three-phase system is operated by three-phase supply. In three-phase system, the voltages may be 400 volts, 11 kV volts, 33 kV volts, 66 kV volts, 220 kilovolts, 400 kilovolts, or more than this. This is somehow about three-phase transformers. Coming to our main topic of connections of three-phase. First one, star to star connection. Star to star connection we will denote like this also, star to star connection. And second one, star to delta connection, star to delta connection. And third one, delta to star connection, delta to star connection. And finally delta to delta connection. In this video, I just show how to give the connections to star, star to delta, delta to star and delta to delta. In a simple way, if you watch this video without skipping, the concept will be understand very easily. So coming to first one, star to star connection. First one, star to star connection. What star means indicates the star is like this. This is one point, one node, second node, third node, and this is one final neutral node. Coming to this star, all the 3 points are combined to one node, single node. This is called star. This is known as star. Coming to delta, delta actually look like in this manner. This is let's think this is node 1, node 2 and node 3. Actually the first node of the last side is connected to the second resistor of first phase, and the second resistors of last phase is connected to the third resistor of first phase, and the third resistor of first phase is connected to the first one. This is actual connection in series manner. This is connected to this one, this is connected to this one, this is connected to this one. Coming to how to connect the star to star connections. This is actually three-phase transformer, so that's why we have to draw the three phases like this. This is actually single transformer and another one. This is another transformer. This is another transformer. These are representing the three phases. Let's think this is R phase, R dash, Y, Y dash, B and B dash. Same like this, R, R dash, Y, Y dash, B, B dash. Let's observe this star connections also. R dash, Y dash, B dash. These R dash, Y dash, B dash are meeting at one node. So that's why what we are connecting star to star. This star connection. At first this is star. We have to connect this first one to this one, this connected one. So that's why these dashes we have to connect at first. This is R dash, Y dash. This is B dash. And next one, these R, Y, B are not connected. That's why we have to remove like this. R, Y and B. Same also in this one also, because the star to star connection. This connection is star to star. So that's why this is second one. This connection is second. We have to denote like this. These are isolated. R dash and Y dash to B dash. We have to jump like this. R, Y and B. This is the connection of star to star connection. Then second one, star to delta connection. We have to draw the transformers. This is the connection, actual transformers. At first, what is that star? We have to connect the star as usually. This is the connection of star connection. Coming to the delta, let's observe this delta. R dash, Y dash, B dash. B dash and R dash are connected. R dash and Y is connected. B and Y dash are connected. So this connection we have to connect it like this. R dash and Y is connected. Y dash and B is connected. Then finally R and B dash are connected. This is one face. This is another face. This is not another face. R, Y and B. This is the connection of delta. Same as like that, we have to draw delta to star connection. At first we have to draw transformer. This is the delta connection. This one. R, Y and B. And we have to draw star connection. This is the star connection. Just we have to think these connections. If you know the connections of this one, you can easily draw the connections in three-phase manner. This is R dash, Y dash, B and B dash. These R dash, Y dash, B dash are connected at a node. So that's why we have to connect like this. This is R dash, Y dash, B dash. These dashes are connected at one point. This is one point. Coming to delta, they are connected in series manner. These R dash and Y are connected. Y dash and B are connected, and B dash and R are connected. So this is the connection for delta to star. Same as delta to delta. At first we have to draw the transform. At first we have to draw this like this. We have to connect this two, and these two. R face, Y face and B face. Same as like this for delta connection. R, Y and B. This one is connected to. So this is the simple way to draw the connections star to star, star to delta, delta to star, and delta to delta. So thank you for watching.